Hi, I am Diane Gehart, and I wanted to personally welcome you and invite you to register for my free webinar on Saturday, May 8th, 1 o'clock Pacific, 4 o'clock Eastern. And I will be talking about what's wrong with licensure prep today and how we can fix it. As an educator of counselors and MFTs for nearly 25 years, I have a lot of thoughts about how we can better use our current exam prep structure to have a much more empowering and meaningful experience for those preparing for licensure. So if you're a grad student or you are postgraduate working towards licensure, I invite you to join me. I hope you will find what I have to say both inspiring and uplifting. And please register. There should be a link below this video, and you do need to register because it will be a Zoom webinar. So it will be free, but you do need to register, and I cannot wait to see you on May 8th.